is going on, guys? Edin Sahovic here from Evidence Nutrition, or edinsahovicnutrition.com. Just here with another video and another 200 calorie snack idea. This one is a high protein, low calorie, 200 calorie pizza pocket. Now, before I get absolutely blown to bits about this one, I just want you guys to all know I'm well aware that this is effectively a grilled cheese on steroids, but just know that I got this inspiration from a couple things, but one most notably, I made pizza with my brother last week, and when we made the dough, we tasted it and we were like, this kind of like reminds us of bread because it rose a fair amount, so it tasted like bread. So that's why I was inspired to use bread for this one, and then also introduced something that my brother showed to me, which was a sriracha honey. It's kind of like a glaze or like a drizzle. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god. If you like spice, if you can handle sriracha, you want a little bit of sweet and salty, it is such a good drunchy or munchie. So if you get the munchies, if you've had a long night out, whatever it may be, this is the one for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this, again, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Tag me if you want to try this one out. Let me know what you want to see next. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thanks guys for watching.
You got cheese like me? Well, what is that?
Alright, so we've got our pizza pockets. They are homemade. They took literally 5 minutes to make. They've got about 18 to 20 grams of protein. They're 200 calories each. They are so good, and I'm gonna prove it. Unreal crunch. Dip them in some marinara sauce. Have some more hot sauce on the side from the other ones that you saw us making. Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Wow, wow, wow.
cheese pizza. But like, if a stoner made it, and like, I'm even wearing the white shorts, so I'm totally gonna get some sauce on them. Let's go. My goal with this video is to make it, you know, not too long, okay? Because the entire process to making these, guys, less than 10 minutes. And albeit I use the air fryer, you can use the oven as well. Just make sure it's preheated to 450, and then that way you can do it on a baking sheet. Just line it with an aluminum foil instead. But I did it with the air fryer because I have an air fryer and it's so much faster than the oven. So like, why not?